Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Mercari, eBay, Poshmark.
And in today's video, we are doing, yes, another ThredUp unboxing.
We do a lot of unboxings, it seems.
We do. But we do generally make money. And I am a sucker for mystery. I can't help it.
She is addicted to mystery everything.
Yeah, I can't help it. So
mystery flavors, mystery boxes, mystery everything.
Mystery everything. If I could do a full channel of just mystery unboxings of all things, I probably would. Like Graveyard Girls channel, totally my thing. Anyway, this one is a new to us mystery box. It is the men's mystery box. So if you've been watching our videos, you know that we have been starting slowly to try to make our way into the men's market. We don't know anything about it. The only brands we really know to pick up are Tommy Bahama and and vintage items like single stitch, things like that. So really excited about that. But if you enjoy this type of content, you want to see more unboxings, there's other companies maybe you want us to unbox, let us know in the comments. But also make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos on Sundays and Wednesdays. And yeah, if you are interested in anything you see in the box, my Poshmark closet is linked below. I can also do orders through Instagram. Obviously, I'm on eBay and Mercari as well. So let me know, and let me know what you guys know about these items. I promise you, I haven't seen anything, but I already know I know nothing. So all information is useful information. You excited about this box?
Yep.
So that's my receipt. So it says mixed rescue box, $44. That's it. So.
These are unstructured Clarks, basically brand new. They got the tags.
They even have tags, yeah. I don't know. So it's funny that we get Clarks right off the top because the other day we were actually at the store. Did we end up buying the Clarks we found?
We did.
We did. So we bought Clarks for the first time, which were women's Clarks. But I don't know anything about them. I've just seen a lot of people picking them up and I figured give it a shot. These are literal brand new. Like brand new, like suede, would you say?
That's like a, blue suede.
Says US size 9.5. They're really nice, honestly. They're really nice.
I mean, if they fit me, I'd have stolen them.
Taken them?
Yeah.
He would have just put them to the side and be like, we didn't get any shoes. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Nothing, nothing there.
Dockers.
Okay. So let's see. I just want to show. Don't go too fast. Get excited. Dockers, individual fit. Where's the size? Waist 36, length 32. So yeah, this reminds me of something my dad would wear. So I don't know how well they'll do, but there doesn't seem to be anything glaringly wrong.
Most of the time you have to wear khakis or something similar to the office. You're not allowed to wear jeans.
Yeah,
so.
I don't see anything glaringly wrong with them. So hey, I'm willing to give those a shot.
Adidas XL Dry Fit.
Okay.
Workout shirt.
I know Nike Dry Fit does well, so I have to assume Adidas would be fine.
I mean, it would fit me.
XL, so you want it?
Well, if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it. I mean...
He's looking at this box as the potential, what could go to his closet box. So yeah, it's just a regular gray. It's one of those higher neck.
I'm looking at it selfishly as a, well...
I mean, I do it all the time, so...
I'll take this. This is Tommy Hilfiger Large.
You know, I don't think I have ever sold Tommy Hilfiger. Obviously, I know the brand, and I know that the ones that have, like, the logos that are really large are actually worth decent money, but I have never...
So, it's just a plain tan...
It's large, yeah. I mean...
Sweater? V-neck?
Yeah, it's the type of stuff you wear all the time. What are you talking about?
To work, yes. That I don't actually go to at the moment.
But again, no flaws that I see, anyway. So, I'm happy. I'll take it. Somebody will buy that for sure.
Adidas. These are large sweatpants.
And they have the stripes, which I know is important with Adidas. Not that I sell Adidas often or anything like that, but considering athleisure is in for women, do you think it'll follow for men?
Well, at the moment, when everyone's in the house, yeah.
Yeah,
like
so this might be really good. This might be something that goes fast.
Like the entire quarantine, and now I'm wearing t-shirt and shorts. So
Oh, I'm not showing you guys tags now, mostly because these are like brands that I think everybody has seen a tag for, even if you're not a reseller, but I should try to be better. But yeah, so I mean, I think these will actually go fast.
Crew Cashmere,
Oh, okay.
size medium.
Is that what the face was for? I thought it was a, oh, I don't like this brand, but that was a, oh, I want that. That's what that was. So it's not J. Crew Factory. It's regular J. Crew. The only problem is it's coming off a little, but Tyler can fix that. And yeah, really nice. I don't see anything wrong with it.
No.
And again, we tell you guys this on all of our unboxings, but we may notice issues later on. Hi, someone's joining us.
She thinks it's for her. So
yeah, and
next,
every time there's a box, she thinks it's for her. So I feel like I need to like get a box for her, just because she always thinks so.
Eddie Bauer, size medium.
Okay. I've never sold Eddie Bauer either, but I'm, again, not against it. Just never have. It's kind of like a thermal.
It's got the waffle texture to it.
It's a good season for it.
I mean, Eddie Bauer, you'll get some money for it, but it's not crazy. This might be my favorite item. Lyle and Scott.
That's made in Ireland, isn't it?
Made in Scotland.
Scotland, okay.
Pure
We've done Lyle
blue
and Scott before.
Wool.
We've had a female Lyle and Scott, I believe.
I think so.
But that's the tag. And this is what it looks like.
That actually...
This will fit you. I can tell by the way it fits me because I wear your clothing all the time.
Steal my clothing
I do.
all of the time.
There doesn't seem to be a size anywhere, but hold on. Let me go on the interiors. That's Chinese, so I can't read it.
No, there's no size, Johnny.
So guys, this is the tag. So if anybody else can read that, I certainly can. It looks like a soccer shirt.
It is. It's Ronaldo from...
Ronaldo, he sounds familiar, and I don't know soccer.
Well, he's the...
The one that people know that don't know soccer?
Basically. He's like the Michael Jordan of soccer.
Is that like a good thing to have? I don't...
Like the Tom Brady of soccer.
Yeah, no, I got that. Do you think the jersey is useful?
I mean, he's very popular.
It's Nike.
Yeah.
It's a Nike one, so it's not like a off-brand weird jersey. It's Nike, dry fit, and it says Ronaldo. Guys, I'm not trying to be ignorant, but I know nothing about men's clothing. I also know nothing about soccer, but hey, it's somebody I recognize.
Football!
Football.
This is just a hat. No logo. No brand.
Well, there was a tag in there, isn't there?
No, those are eyes.
I thought that was Batman.
No.
Batman. It just says 100% acrylic made in China, so, but it's a little one. I would think that would be like a little man. Although it would fit me if I stretched it out.
It's a stretchy hat. It would fit anyone. It's
So-
got a nice little face on the front.
It's got a little face, so, I mean, if you wanted to, like, you know, hide your face, I guess this would work. It could be a good robbery mask. What? Why are we laughing?
What is this? It's a tie.
It's a tie, yeah. It's a tie.
You don't know, it's a McDonald's tie.
Oh, it's like for, like...
The manager of a
workers.
McDonald's. Somebody
Why?
threw this in.
Why?
It's got the McDonald's double arches.
So it's the, what is it, the way you want it? No, what is it? What's their thing?
Have it your way.
Have it your way, yeah.
Or I'm loving it.
So I don't think we can sell this. I feel like they probably don't want people to sell their like uniform stuff. I don't know.
I mean,
But let me see that.
we certainly can.
I mean, so yeah, it's McDonald's. So I mean, certainly never sold that before. But
These are Calvin Klein 3432s.
okay,
So
just pants.
yeah, non-jean.
Nothing really to
Khak-
say about that.
Khakis that aren't khaki pants.
But yeah, that's fine. There's nothing that I can see wrong with them. So
Banana Republic. This is not men's. 'cause
that is
it's-
women's.
Yeah, it's an 8R.
Yeah.
There's no way that a man's...
I think they think it's women's because it says Ryan fit.
Yeah,
but-
but those are women's pants.
These are women's pants. But I mean, that's fine. The only thing I see is like the back of the button here is a little bit, you know, but they're pleated. just regular work pants. I don't know that they'll go very fast right now just because people aren't wearing work attire, but people like Banana Republic.
I mean, Dark Wash, Gap, 1969.
We've sold Gap before. It doesn't sell for a lot, but it sells $38, $32. So that's that.
Yeah.
And they're nice. Nothing really wrong with them.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean,
Nice
this
pair of
isn't
Dark Wash
a
jeans.
like, you know, super high money box or anything, but I think there's plenty of things in here that are gonna sell. I think they'll sell for a decent amount, and hopefully it will help us learn a little bit.
I mean, the Clarks are legit new.
Legit new. If I am able to before this video comes up, and I don't know if I'll be able to, but if I am, I will look up comps on what they're selling for, and I'll insert it for you. But again, if it's not on the screen, it's because I wasn't able to find
I'm
it.
going to be inserting
He'll be inserting, I'll be locating it. But if it's not on the screen, it's because I couldn't find it yet. But
legit new.
they look really nice, and I
have a few more pieces to my wardrobe.
So, yeah, he might be stealing the only one that I think might be actually worth decent money.
No, still a couple of the other ones too.
Yeah. So anyways, if you guys know anything about these items at all, even things that I may have said like I know something about, still let me know, because I feel like I'm a little bit at a disadvantage with these items. But I'm excited to give it a try. I'm excited to see how it goes. And as usual, we will do a follow-up video a few months down the road after most things have sold, so we can let you know how we did with it and if we would be
I want to sell the
ordering
McDonald's tie.
more. And I guess we'll be updating you on whether or not we sell the McDonald's tie. I guess to be continued on that. Great. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to talk to me outside of this video, please go to my Instagram, send me a message, let me know. I am always happy to help if I have any information to help with, and even if you just want a support partner, I love talking to you guys, so do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.